Hey guys, it's Zion. I wanted to send you a quick note of encouragement because you have an email list and you have people that follow you on Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook or whatever it is. You are an influencer. Even if that list is small, it doesn't have to be thousands and thousands of people. It can be just a few dozen people. You're an influencer. And this opportunity right now with the fact that the whole world is kind of coming to a halt to deal with this coronavirus is an amazing opportunity to reach out and bring hope and light into people's lives. And my encouragement to you is to use your platform for good and not just take advantage of the idea that people are going to be home and probably on social media more often. Yes, this is a great time to advertise. You know that. I don't even have to say that to you. But especially this is a good time to bring people hope, to relay great information, to bring panic down. Panic never helps anybody, and there's a lot of people panicking right now. But this is an amazing platform that you have that I just want to encourage you to take the responsibility that is in your hands to shine light right now. I hope this resonates with you. We need more people like you to bring hope, to bring direction, to bring light into this world. It's a crazy time we're living in right now. As always, if I can help you at all and answer any questions you have as you're doing your get known process or answer any questions you have about our service, please hit me up. I'm always here to help. This is Zion signing out.